Hello everyone, welcome to Chris Khan Academy, the YouTube channel which always focus or ready to support students, teachers and others. We give you the marking sheets, questionnaires, answers and also different content. So we like it to focus on different subjects, whether in primary, secondary or universities. Now we are coming up with a mark guide for set in a P6 candidates. This is 2024 examination, and then you wish to get ready for your national exam, to be prepared, to be supported. We are here for you. Here, first and foremost, I will show you the questions as it is listed, and then the answers are below after revising the questions. So, as the students, maybe you have having the book, writing the questions, and then later to insert the answers, or to use these questions and then verify if really matching with the marking guide that I'm going to show you. So guys, either you're ready to attend to your exam, get ready and get prepared so that you can pass on a high level on a good marks. As you see, these are the questions, how the matching or complete the tables, open questions. There's a true and false questions as well, and I don't want to make it big, just make it short so that it can be easy for you to revise it and even to download it, so that it can be easy to you to answer it or to watch it as well. So here there is questions in section B, then it's almost 50 questions, and then starting from here it is the marking guide as it is listed in section A. You have been asked to agricultural cutting tools, units, panga, shovels, and others are different. Two advantages of using simple machines: facilitates work, reduces human efforts. And then here we've been asked to explain the reason why agricultural tools should be kept in a dry place to avoid iron weight. There's what we call rust prevention and also tool quality maintenance. Here it is matching the tools and its use, and also you see this is the answers. Here it is clarifying the following mason tools according to their usage. So as you see here, there is the answers. The number 6 will be asking name any one material that is used to make toys and learning objectives, polyethylene. And also number 7 was about mentioning two materials used while baking a mat. These nylons, polypropylene. And set whether the following statements true or false. You can make a toy which from a manila paper. It's true. One can maintain dollar by keeping it a wet place. So these are the answers as well. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also to share this copy of the video to your friends that are ready to attend the exams, and then it will be grateful to see you on next time. It's been a while not uploading because I was busy collecting the exams and also helping you to bring it closer to you. So guys, I wish you like it, and also if you like it, you will share it. Here is the questions again and all the answers as well. It is on Chris Khan Academy, and then subscribe, share and write a comment for the examination paper you want us to bring for you. As see, this copy comprises 50 questions, and then you read it carefully and then you reply to each and everything. So thank you. This was the question paper of 2024 national examination of set. See you. Bye bye.